So this is Ernest Hemingway's original typewriter that he typed his last book on, Dangerous Summer. I got it through A.E. Hotchner, famous author and biographer of Ernest Hemingway, and was also his best friend in the old days. Anyway, you'll note that it has the original steamer line tags and labels on it, and you could even see his name. And it's a wonderful old typewriter. Still works. This item is a very rare and desirable item and sells for $100,000. But we have items that are much more affordable that have to do with Ernest Hemingway and many other authors. This item was written in 1936, about the time when he wrote The Snows of Kilimanjaro, one of his greatest short stories. It has a bold signature, Ernest Hemingway, and this item could be available for as little as $2,500. So it's quite accessible. You too can own an original Ernest Hemingway document or letter. Go to universityarchives.com or call 1-800-237-5692. Thanks.